Can you use CrankWheel without installation? The short answer is yes, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how this works and why it might be the perfect solution for you. Stick around because by the end of this video, I'll share an exclusive bonus for using CrankWheel for free, which you don't want to miss. Now, let's dive in. CrankWheel is a powerful tool designed for screen sharing and instant customer interactions, but here's the catch: it doesn't require you to install anything to get started. That's right. You don't have to worry about software downloads or taking up space on your computer. Everything can be done instantly from the browser, which makes it super convenient for quick demos or support calls. Next thing you'll want to know is how simple it is to use CrankWheel without installation. All you need to do is create an account on their website, and within minutes, you're ready to go. You can share your screen with potential clients or colleagues instantly. All they need is a link. No downloads, no hassle, just a quick connection. The third thing worth mentioning is that CrankWheel's instant browser-based access works on multiple devices. Whether you're on a PC, Mac, or even a tablet, CrankWheel doesn't limit your ability to collaborate and share your screen. This cross-device functionality is especially great for businesses on the go, or if you're in a situation where installation just isn't an option. Another thing you might be wondering about is whether the experience is as smooth as when you use installed software. Well, you'll be happy to hear that CrankWheel is optimized to provide a seamless experience, even without installation. The tool is designed to minimize lag and maintain high-quality screen sharing, which makes it an excellent choice for quick client interactions. Lastly, let's talk about cost. CrankWheel offers a free version of their software, which can be used without installation. You'll get all the essential features you need, and the best part is that there's no commitment required. And for those who need more advanced features, there are paid plans available, but the free version is more than enough to get started. Now, if you're wondering how to get your hands on CrankWheel, make sure to check the first link below. By using that link, you'll get access to exclusive bonuses and an extended free trial of CrankWheel, which you won't find anywhere else. So, there you have it. Can you use CrankWheel without installation? Absolutely. It's a quick, efficient, and hassle-free way to share your screen and connect with others instantly, all from the browser. Don't forget to grab your exclusive offer through the link below and start using CrankWheel today.